Hello, today I'm going to show you how to find a specific color that you used that you're trying to recreate because let's say you forgot to add it to your palette over here. First thing you're going to do is going to grab the color picker. It looks like an eye drop. And then let's say I want to get this particular yellow. I'll select that. And you notice it shows up here. I'm going to then copy that code. It's a hexadecimal code if you're curious what it is. Copy it. I'm going to come over to Palette, select Manage Palette. Now before you just click on your color, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to select plus, and then I'm going to paste the code that I just copied of the yellow from over here. Then I'm going to click Save. If you accidentally paste the code in, you might overwrite a particular color that you've already created. So be careful of doing that. And that is it. You've saved your color matched color.